All right, coming up now, we have the finals of the girls 200-meter dash. In lane 2, we have Jada Smith. She ran a 25.25 in the prelims. Lane 3 is going to be Tatiana Martinez. She ran 25.12. Lane 4 is Bria Barnes from Cheltenham. She ran 24.99. And the fastest time coming into this is Talitha Diggs out in lane 5 from Saucon Valley. She ran 24.77. They're set. And they're off. Let's see what they can run here. Keep an eye on lane 5. That's Talitha Diggs. Bria Barnes running well, making up that stagger. Barnes and Diggs coming off the turn. Looks like Diggs with the lead. Let's see what she can run. Looks like 24 low. We'll get an official time for you. Talitha Diggs with a big win. 24.18. Whew. She looks happy with that.